with grapes and brought me into the mix as a vineyard manager.
Laura's uncle Steve and myself, we built the winery. We built all the systems in here, from our cooling system all the way to pouring the concrete on the floor to putting all the nails in.
So Jean and I have 4 children together, and 3 of them are quite young, and the eldest is quite a big help on the vineyard and is already interested in going into the winemaking industry, perhaps growing grapes as well.
I love it. I love the family being a part of everything. The kids love to be out in the vineyard and in the winery.